Bitcoin money cost really equivalent to $136.04 a coin, which is very huge. The present exchange cost range, 132.50 139.72, which certainly is genuinely huge. The earlier day close, 136.17 in an extremely significant way. The change basically was 0.10%, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Reverse rate, USD to BCH, which by and large is very huge. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a sort of large manner. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost $141, sort of most extreme 151, especially least 131, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost $137, especially most extreme 147, kind of least 127, which really is very huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost $147, beautiful most extreme 157, least 137 in a very significant way. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday. Walk, 24, cost $150, lovely greatest 161, especially least 140, which generally is very huge. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $141, especially greatest 151, essentially least 131 in a genuinely significant way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $146, by and large greatest 156, least 136 in an especially huge way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $153, kind of greatest 164, kind of least 142, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $162, especially most extreme 173, fundamentally least 151 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $164, really greatest 175, exceptionally least 153, which generally is very huge. In about 14 days Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday. April, 3, cost $170, exceptionally greatest 182, really least 158 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $159, truly most extreme 170, genuinely least 148 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $152, really greatest 163, truly least 141. Further appearance how Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which sort of is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday. April, 6, cost $149, by and large most extreme 159, least 139 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday. April, 7, cost $150, in every way that really matters, greatest 161, certainly least 140 in an unpretentious way. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday. April, 10, cost $149, kind of greatest 159, really least 139. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $147, lovely greatest 157, genuinely least 137. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $142, extremely greatest 152, all things considered, least 132 incredibly. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday. April, 13, cost $139, really most extreme 149, truly least 129 in a very huge way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday. April, 14, cost $141, fundamentally most extreme 151, by and large least 131 in an unobtrusive manner. In about a month Bitcoin money gauge on Monday. April, 17, cost $139, truly greatest 149, essentially least 129 in a quite enormous way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 18, cost $137, really greatest 147, kind of least 127. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday. April, 19, cost $141, sort of greatest 151, really least 131 in a fundamentally significant way. USD to BCH conversion scale really equivalent to 0.7351 coins per $100, which certainly is very critical. Today, S-reach 0.7157 minus 0.7547, which essentially is genuinely huge. The past day, S nearby, 0.7344. For the most part further appearance how today, S reach, 0.7157 minus 0.7547 in a genuinely significant way. Change for now plus 0.0007, plus 0.10%. USD to BCH cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month, in every practical sense. Further appearance how the earlier day close, 136.17 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost 0.709 coins. Sort of greatest 0.763, most certainly least 0.662, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to BCH expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost 0.730 coins. Exceptionally most extreme 0.787, kind of least 0.680, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost 0.680 coins. By and large most extreme 0.730, beautiful least 0.637. Fundamentally further appearance how Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost $137, really greatest 147, for the most part least 127. USD to BCH expectation on Friday. Walk, 24, cost 0.667 coins. By and large most extreme 0.714, least 0.621, which especially shows that in about a month Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday. April 17, cost $139, genuinely greatest 149, certainly least 129, which especially is genuinely huge. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Monday. Walk, 27, cost 0.709 coins. In every way that really matters. Most extreme 0.763, least 0.662 in an exceptionally enormous way. USD to BCH expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost 0.685 coins. Essentially most extreme 0.735, especially least 0.641. Exhibiting how Bitcoin money cost in every practical sense. Equivalent to $136.04 a coin in an all things considered, significant way. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost 0.654 coins. By and large most extreme 0.704, certainly least 0.610, or so they really thought. USD to BCH forecast on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost 0.617 coins. Most certainly greatest 0.662, really least 0.578, which sort of is very critical. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 0.610 coins. Extremely greatest 0.654, essentially least 0.571. Showing how Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $153. Sort of most extreme 164, genuinely least 142 in an exceptionally enormous way. In about 14 days USD to BCH expectation on Monday. April 3, cost 0.588 coins, kind of most extreme 0.633 in every practical sense, least 0.5